What's going on, y'all? It is your friendly neighborhood fucking autistic kid back again with another fucking trade recap. I ended up taking a trade today, and it would have spanked full fucking take profit, but I ended up taking break even. Boo! Boo! Break even. Um, so let's explain why I ended up taking break even today. So let's go to market open. Okay, so there was honestly two possibilities that I could have taken a trade off of today, in which I was open to taking a trade off of. So originally I seen that price was pushing into this 15-minute fair value gap, and I was like, okay, bet we're gonna maybe. If we respect this, we're gonna come out, take out these low resistance highs, and then fucking dump all the way down to these lows. Perfect. I'm gonna short that shit like a fucking G. But we ended up just flushing through that eventually. Flush, 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 flush. Um, and we didn't end up doing that. We ended up taking out these lows first. So I was like, perfect. We still have these highs intact. We're generating more liquidity here, 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 here. We have so much low resistance liquidity, so much trendline liquidity to the upside. There's no way that price doesn't go and take that out, especially after filling in this big ass fucking new day opening gap from the news that the Strait of Hormuz was open again. So there's no way that we don't at least have some type of retrace to the upside, taking out this draw on liquidity to try to maybe push higher to fill these gaps if we're going to continue on this bearish trend. Um, so I could have taken this trade here when we invalidated this 5-minute gap here. I could have taken this, having my stop loss here, targeting these highs here, but for my first take profit being in negative RR, that fucking sucks. So I didn't end up taking that trade, which thank God I didn't because I would have gotten stopped out. And so let's continue going. So we have this 2-minute gap get formed here. So I was like, perfect. We validated the 5-minute. If we can validate the 2-minute, then I'll be down to take a long, and then I don't need to have my fucking stop loss all the way down here in the depths of the dungeons. Um, but we ended up not doing that, and I didn't end up basing my trade based off of this 2-minute gap here. So if we just want to fast forward a little bit more, we could see, boom, this big ass push down, right? We have this 3-minute gap get formed here. Beautiful. I should have taken this trade here. This is the trade that I should have taken. But unfortunately for me, I have the IQ of a fucking garden slug. So I didn't end up taking the trade. I wanted to see a little bit more confirmation, right? So I wanted to see this push down. Beautiful. And then I ended up, boom, um, taking a trade based off of this. I ended up having an amazing fill. Holy fuck. Looking at this now. Don't know how I got filled there. Beautiful though. And I ended up setting my break even here. The reason being I set my break even here is because of the possibility of we respect this and then we go back down. All right. So I wanted to protect my capital a little bit, right? So I ended up setting my break even here like a fucking dumb garden slug, and I absolutely get stop rated. Fucking stop rated. Fucking stop rated, bro. It's alright. It's whatever. But then since I had to watch it, I'm gonna make you guys watch it with me. Us just basically going and smacking every single fucking take profit that I had marked out. Literally to a T. Boom. Fucking beautiful. It was so perfect. It was so perfect. I was like, hold on. This was me. This was dead ass me when I was waiting for this trade to play out. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. This was me waiting for this trade to play out. Right? I was like, dude, this is beautiful. It's like I could fucking my spidey senses were tingling, telling me this was the obvious draw on liquidity for the day. But guess what? I'm fucking retarded. And I got stopped out at break even and had to watch the trade run to full take profit. So that fucking sucks. Lesson of the day is don't be a little fucking bitch. Whenever your setup is there, take that shit. You don't need more confirmation. Long a 3 minute fucking 3 minute inverse when we're in a fucking 15-minute downtrend. Long that shit. Why the fuck not? Um, but yeah, that's basically all I have today. If you guys enjoyed, drop a thumbs up. If you didn't, then go kick rocks. And yeah, peace out.